Let's proceed and discuss the three types of fraction, and they are proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. When we say proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than denominator. Examples are 2/3, 4/9, 3/10, and 5/7. A fraction has a value greater than 1 if its numerator is greater than its denominator. Fractions greater than 1 can be written either as an improper fractions or a mixed number. When we say improper fraction, numerator is larger than denominator. Examples are 4/3, 12/9, 3/2, and 9/5. And lastly, when we say mixed number, there is a whole number and a fraction. Examples are 1 and 2/3, 3 and 6/8, and 2 and 7/10. Fractions equal to 1 are fractions whose numerator and denominator are the same. For example, we have 6/6. When we say the same numerator and denominator, this is also equal to 1. Another example is 3/3. They have the same numerator and denominator. So this is also equal to 1. And it is also called improper fractions. A fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. So for this lesson, we learn about the concept of fraction, types of fractions, and we compare also fractions. That ends our discussion for this week. I hope you learned something about fraction. Again, this is Teacher Cristel, and God bless us all.